Hey, so I'm standing out here in the backyard of this property I'm looking at, which is a short sale. So we're going to talk about what a short sale is and how we can benefit from it. This is a 3-bed. We're checking out the backyard right now. It's huge, all fenced in. Got some kid play toy artifacts. I don't know what he was doing in there. I honestly did not see that until just now. Oh, playhouse. So this guy was a master gardener of sorts. He's got this crazy irrigation system I got to show you that I've never really seen before. What is this? Big old cord. So check out this back porch. One thing I would do to this porch, the big old house with the French doors coming out. Oh, those aren't even French doors. I would make those French doors. And then, see how this is kind of narrow? Would deck this out where the gravel is, about 10 feet. And we couldn't really do anything on a budget for an overhang, so we would probably just keep it as is. But I think that deck would add, a lot more space, and they could put a table and stuff right there. So that'd be a cool feature. Maybe cost $3,000 or so. All right, let me show you this. Dang. So this dude was committed, or lady, to her gardening. See, it comes in there, it's like a big old manifold, and it goes underground, and then it goes out all over the property. This is a really big property that I guess they needed a lot of irrigation for all the plants. So it does have a pond as well, which this is not technically a rural property. We're right in the heart of Covington. Home Depot is 2 minutes away. So we would have to fill that thing in, because insurance companies, they look at that as a pool, and it's imagine a pool in your front yard with no fence. That's a huge liability, even though it is 6 inches deep. They would not insure that, most companies, so it'd be very expensive. So we would fill that in. Don't know what that would cost. All right, so this is the entrance. See if we can get a feel for this layout. So we got a small little dining room in here, or study. And then to the right, got this cool built-in that could possibly stay. We'd have to get it cleaned up and freshly painted, obviously. This is probably an office. This would be a good office with a bathroom, full bathroom. Wow, maybe this could be a bedroom. It'd help for this to be a bedroom, because then it'd be a 4-bedroom, not a 3. Anyways, those blinds could be cleaned up. These are the wooden Roman shades. We can keep those. So far I'm not seeing anything. Just clean up, keep that tile because it's pretty basic. Paint, we're painting everything. On a house like this, you could spend $10,000 on paint. Easy. So here's the great room, the den. Oh, check out that fireplace, it's really cool. We changed the mantle out because that's what do you call that? Not a Roman mantle, but well, it's just not the style of this house. We wouldn't want it. Check out this kitchen. So this is an easy $25,000 we could put in this kitchen, and I think it'd be worth it because a kitchen is what sells the house. So we're gonna replace all the cabinets. These things are just, sometimes you can get away with painting cabinets, and these are I don't know, they're really not that nice. We'd want new cabinets. Probably $15,000 for new cabinets in here. And want some nice granite countertops. Spend maybe $1,000 on that. New appliances, nice big fridge, and then paint. Oh, so we got popcorn ceilings throughout the whole house. It's 2,600 square feet a house. So that's gonna could cost you up to $5,000 to scrape it and paint it. So this is a room Not sure what they were using. Oh, washing machine. Yeah, so this is the washroom and the well room. That's a big old well, and it's nice that it's indoors on these cold winter days. You may freeze a well. Little room. You got a little one-car garage over here. It's pretty cool. Unfortunate though, because most houses have a two-car garage, so that's gonna take away from your sales price. I don't think we've looked at the master yet, have we? So here's the master bedroom. Needs new floors. Obviously, the whole house is just like brown tile, which is okay, but I think depending on what we get it for, we probably want to change that tile out. It'd be expensive though. But you gotta change the carpet in here. And I would go with hardwoods, not carpet in a master. And you got these two closets, which are, good sized closets, but they really, the way the doors open, it really kind of cuts into your space in the master. So I don't know. I think we could spend a ton of money in this bathroom because it's a big space, but you got this huge tub that's taking up a ton of space, and it's jetted, which jetted tubs are kind of going out, guys. I know we had a jetted tub, and Britt would never let us use it because it like harbors mold and stuff. So a lot of the wives don't allow the jetted tubs. Whatever. And when you're making a bathroom, you're making it for the wife, not for the man, just so you know. So we have to change that shower out, and I really have no idea what to do in this bathroom. Someone else way smarter and more design savvy than me would have to redesign it. What I was thinking is have the closets open up into the bathroom rather than the master. And then if you just wall it, you see where the two closets kind of go in at an angle, you just wall that off and you have the bathroom door here, and then it's just a straight wall. I don't know, that's my idea. So yeah, I forgot to talk about what a short sale is. So short sale is when you go to sell your house and the value of it is more than less than what you owe on it. So this one's listed for $260 right now, and so there's no telling what they owe on it. They could owe $300,000. So they go to the bank and they're like, "Hey, we can't sell this house. We're underwater on it." And so the bank's like, "All right, well, get some offers on the table," and then they do what's called a BPO, which is a broker appraisal. No, that's not what it is. It's a BPO, and it's basically an analysis of the value of the property, and they see what they can get for it, and it's a lot of negotiation and a lot of paperwork goes into place, and you're able to get this house for hopefully, depending on the competition involved, you're able to get it for a cheaper price than what they own it, and then the bank takes a loss. So it's kind of like a foreclosure, but it doesn't go to foreclosure. You're saving them from foreclosure. It typically hurts their credit score by about 50 points, where foreclosure, that'll hurt you for about 100 points. So it's a benefit to the seller for sure. Gets them out of the house. Now these people are already moved out, so who knows what the story is with this. Could have been a death in the family and the kids own it and they're just trying to get rid of it now. So that's a short sale. They don't do them as much as they used to. I've never personally done one. They're not fun. They take a long time, a lot of paperwork. And yeah, that's a short sale. So thanks for watching, guys. Hamar. Later.